Hi guys, welcome off the 10th. My name is Chris and today is December the 27th, the day after Boxing Day. I am going to be making my turkey. That's right, we're having a turkey dinner. It's going to be a couple of us over here and having a turkey dinner because we are in quarantine or whatever, so we got to be careful of how many people we have over. So dumb. Today I'm drinking a beer from Blackburn. This is their Old Scow Lager. Such an easy beer to drink. These guys are awesome, but this is not, I repeat, this is not going to be a beer review. This is actually going to be a how I cook my turkey video, and today we are going to be using the infrared cooking system. I've made turkeys in this before. I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up and I guess a little bit of a tutorial. If you guys ever decide you ever want to get an infrared cooker, you'll know how to do it. So yeah, we are going to take a look at that thing right now, and yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the infrared cooker. This one's made by Char-Broil. It's the Big Easy. It's hooked up to some propane. Just got some new propane today because I was kind of worried I might run out. Yeah, so it holds a huge turkey in there. Anyway, I'm going to light it up for you guys. It's super easy to light up. What you do, obviously, open up the propane, give a little bit of power. You can hear it, and then that's on. That's it. We got heat. Let's open this thing up here for you. The basket is inside. Turkey's getting ready. This is what it looks like. This is the infrared cooker. Yeah, so I'll be back in a second. I'm going to take another sip of beer, and I'm going to bring the turkey out and get it ready. I'm going to let this thing warm up for a little bit. We're good to go. So this is the basket that goes into the infrared cooker. Put my turkey in there. It's all seasoned, ready to go. And yeah, we're going to go put it in right now. All right, so we've got the turkey out. It's in the basket. Obviously you guys just saw me put it in the basket, or what, you didn't see me put it in. It was a disaster, but it's in the basket. Gonna take the actual infrared cooker. Is super hot right now. It comes with this little handle here, and this little thing to pick up this, because we're gonna need this on, but not right away. That doesn't go on for a while. That's kind of like a crisper that makes the outside of the turkey really super crispy when it's ready to go, when it's almost done. It also came with a meat thermometer or some kind of thermometer that we're going to jam in that thing in a bit, but not right now. So anyway, let's put the turkey into the infrared cooker. That's it. That's all. And guess what? You let it sit. I'm going to take a look at the time. I don't know what time it is right now, but it doesn't really matter. In 2.5 hours, this is going to be done. So yeah, I'm going to come back and check it out in a little bit, probably in about every half-hour interval, just to take a look at what's going on with the turkey. But yeah, infrared cooking. Okay, we are back. It's been about 40 minutes since I started cooking this. I can hear the crackling of the heater going. I can see that starting to slightly change color, starting to cook up. But now this is where I'm going to actually put in the actual thermometer that I just dropped, but whatever. I'm going to put it into the body of this thing right here. And we're going to keep an eye on it. Oh, that's backwards. Make sure it reaches 175 degrees. And yeah, so we'll check this thing out in about an hour. All right, so just giving you guys an update. We are 1 hour and 10 minutes in to cooking this turkey, and look at that. It is looking golden. Starting to turn golden. Temperature obviously is not high enough. We're gonna wait till it hits 175, but yeah, looks good. We're gonna put the cover on in a little bit. I'll probably put it on when there's about a half hour left, and I'll yeah. So that's the infrared cooker, and hey, it's fantastic. Next time I do this, I can't wait to make duck. It's going to be awesome. Okay, here's a little update. We're getting into almost 2 hours in. Turkey's looking good. Not close yet in temperature, internal temperature, but you know what? I think in about an hour's time, this should be done. Looks good. And probably in about half hour's time, I'm going to put that lid that's sitting right over there. I'm going to put that right on top and crisp up the edges of this turkey. My God, but one thing that's for sure is that this thing smells fantastic. All right, so we started at about 10 to 2. It's just after, or just before 4 o'clock. So we've still got about another half hour before the turkey is done. Turkey on the actual heating temperature is not there yet, so it's probably going to be about half hour, 45 minutes. I am going to put the actual thing on top of that. I'm actually going to do it right now. Do it right on camera. Sure, let's hook this up, put it right on top. This one crisp. This just does all the crisping for the actual turkey. And yeah, so should be done in about 30 to 45 minutes. We will check it then. Okay, we are 2.5 hours in. We're going to find out if this turkey is ready. I am going to grab the actual tool to pick up this lid because I put it on there. So, oh, look at that. Looks so good. By the actual temperature gauge that's in the actual turkey, it doesn't look like it's done yet, but I am going to reach back and grab my other thermometer here, and we're going to check the temperature of this turkey right now. Let's jab this in here, and we're going to find out if this is done or not. It needs to reach 175 degrees, so now of course we're in Celsius, so we're going to switch it over to Fahrenheit. There we go, 130. No, it's still climbing. No, it's 136. So we probably have about another, I'm just going to guess, probably about another half hour before this is going to reach 170. Yeah, but look at that turkey. It looks so good. All right, so we're 3 hours in. We are 3 hours in right now, and it looks like that this turkey should be done. Let's take a look at what we got here going on with the actual turkey. I don't know why my flash is showing, but let's turn that off. Perfect. All right, so it looks like it's done. Let's take a look at that meter on there. Oh yeah, we're way over. This turkey is done. I'm gonna pull this thing out, and we're gonna take a look at what's going on with the actual turkey. Oh my god, I can't keep my camera still. And yeah, let's pull this thing out right now. It looks good. We're gonna pull this out and let it sit for a little bit. But oh yeah, that turkey is done. Perfect. Looks good. I'm gonna bring it in right now. All right, so here's the turkey. Came out of the infrared fryer. So we're gonna pass the phone over to PJ. I'm going to carve this thing right now, and we're gonna see how it looks. As soon as I get the knife in there, this is the worst knife ever, but.
Do you want the electric knife?
Nope, we're good. Take a look at that.
Ooh.
That is fan-freaking-tastic. You know what? And I'm going to take a little bit of a sample because that's what I do. Oh. And, yeah.
I can taste the hops in this.
I can totally taste the hops in the turkey. But it's so good.
I put it on in the background.
Okay, there you have it. The turkey is done. We used the infrared cooker, and it's fucking fantastic. 3 hours for a 16-pound turkey. It should have been 2.5 hours, or just over 2.5 hours, but it wasn't. But it's still freaking juicy. There's a picture right now I'm going to show you. We kind of butchered it when we were carving it, but it still tasted fantastic. But anyway, guys, if you liked the video, click the like down below. If you'd like to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you want to be notified every time I do, food reviews or cooking things or beer reviews. I don't even know anymore. Anyway, I'm drunk. Peace out. Bye.